Today, guys, I'm going to be talking about why FutureSpare is the global leader in wealth management. Now, I have had first access to really getting to know what's going on here and receiving the benefits. Now, you can too with over thousands of different people that are using this management service. Now, I want to go deep into this. I want to show you all the different accounts. And I also want to show you how easy it is to make an account, okay, guys? And get involved. Don't be scared of all the big words and finance and things like that, okay? Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I'm doing it just to show you that there is something out there that can really help you manage your financial future. So let's go and have a look. All right, guys, here it is, FutureSpare. You can see here, growing wealth for generations. Okay, this is the FS global leader in wealth management, boasting rich history and unwavering dedication to assisting families in realizing their financial dreams through expert asset management. Now, they take pride in ensuring the safety, effective management, and constant accessibility for all the clients' wealth. And I want to go through the different account types they have. So number one account type that you can get involved with is the trial account. Now, this means a temporary account that provides access to the ability to use some or all of the features of the service. Now, as determined by the applicable Oracle representative and demonstration account, you can get involved with this. And it doesn't mean that you can only use one account, guys. You can get into multiple accounts if you want. I want you to read and really research what I'm talking about and see what fits you. Because for me, okay, I got involved with the term deposit account, but it might not be what you want to get involved with. With the term deposit, you lock away an amount of money for an agreed length of time, which is the term, and then you can't access that money until the term is up. So in return, you get a guaranteed rate of interest for the term you select, and you'll know exactly what the return on your money will be at all times, okay? If that's something you want to get involved in, again, you can just make an account. I'll show you very soon. But if you want to get involved in a savings plan, guys, that's the investment fund saving plan. It's a way of investing in the investment funds with money invested by multiple different investors pooled to form assets of a fund. Now, these assets are invested in a range of asset classes such as money market investments, bonds, equities, or real estate. Or guys, the favorite out there, the tax-free account, okay? Everybody wants to kind of find a legal way to pay a little bit less tax, all right? The TFSA program began in 2009, so this is a way that you don't pay less tax, you pay the exact tax you're supposed to pay, but you could be rewarded. Now, if you're 18 years of age or older or have a valid social insurance, guys, the number SIN to set money aside tax-free throughout their lifetime. Contributions to TFSA are not deductible for income tax purposes. It's a really great way to embrace the tax-free growth that you really want and work for your whole life. Now, guys, going into the next account, the trust account. This is an account with a legal agreement through which funds and assets are held by a third party, which is a trustee. And that's for the benefit of another party, the beneficiary. All right, now this may be an individual or a group, and the creator of the trust is known as a grantor or a settler. And last but not least, the one that everybody should be thinking of, guys, whether you are 18 or whether you are 80, okay, a retirement plan. This means that preparing today for your future of your life is so that you continue to meet all your goals and dreams. This includes setting your retirement goals, estimating the amount of money you will need, and investing to grow your retirement savings. Guys, it's never too early or late to start thinking about the future where you don't want to work. You need to have a retirement plan in place. So they're the account, guys. You got to decide which one you want to get involved with. And before you do that, you need to get an account. So all you got to do is hit register like this, guys, and then it will load up through this chart you can see and ask you to make an account. So you're going to put your details in here, guys, just like this, okay? So, okay, you're going to put your email in, everything that you want to in, okay? Put these details in, make sure they're secure, make sure you do not lose these, and then register your account. Once you've got an account, guys, it's going to load up with your account ID and everything inside. You've got your home where it will come up with all currencies in there, okay? It'll take you through a whole tour guide. I'm not going to do that for you today. Please go through it yourself. Start the tour, and it's very, very easy. It takes you through everything, and then decide what it is you want to do. So if this is for you guys, do me a huge favor and hit the link down below and get involved. Again, you should always be looking at your financial future as a goal, as a progression, as something you work on your whole entire life. And having someone to manage that for you just takes that pressure away. So hit the link down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell button, we're notified, and I'll see you next time.